Hi everyone, and welcome back to Dressing the Diva. Now that we're starting to leave quarantine, we will really need to take care to wash our hands as often as possible. I'm here with a tip to help you combat any dryness in your hands and keep them silky smooth and soft and looking beautiful. So this is for use in the kitchen. Take a hand cream. It can be absolutely anything, but it really doesn't have to be like the nice hand cream that you would use before bed or something. It can be a really cheap one because the idea is to use a lot of it. So just pour a big dollop over your hands and really work it in. There really can't be too much, I would say. Now put on some rubber gloves. Don't be tempted to try this without the gloves because they're actually key to the whole process. So I actually have my own washing up gloves and Chris keeps his because I just get cream all through them and he finds it gross. Then get your washing up liquid and sponges and everything like that that you usually use to wash dishes. And then we're going to turn the water about as hot as it will go. And then you're just going to wash your dishes as normal. The heat from the water will open up the pores of the skin of your hands, helping the cream to really sink into them. But the gloves provide that layer of protection so that you don't burn your hands. It's almost like when you steam your face for a facial. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really hope that you enjoyed and that you'll find this tip useful. Try it and let me know how you get on. I do this every time I wash the dishes and I have to say my hands are so soft. So I really thought that all of you would like to know about it too, now that we're all washing our hands 500 times a day. Bye!